Our next participant is Hemal Anil Kumar Doshi ji. So Hemal ji, please unmute yourself and display your screen.
Good evening, everyone here. Myself, Hemal Anil Kumar Doshi, from Junagadh, Gujarat. I am hereby presenting my use tools in use of AI tools in case of forensic audit. My screen is visible.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. First, I want to show my problem statement. In case of forensic audit, the softwares which are used for the data analysis are costlier and also not able to analyze the scanned PDF documents which are manually scanned by some, and also not able to analyze the numerous data. Here, the main use of the AI tools come into picture. AI tools can also analyze all the data, all the statements which are manually done by us. Also, deep thinking and what data need to be further, what matters to be further investigated, what laws are applicable in case of that investigations, etc. That ideas are also generated by the AI tools for forensic audit. Generally, the use of the AI tools in forensic audit are for red flag transactions, related party relationship established, other suspicious activity. We can also generate chart and predictive modeling in case of that forensic audit AI tools. Here I start my presentation for that data analyst tool. First, I just wanted to just a simple structuring in case of Gemini. Manual PDF statements which are scanned are restructured by that Gemini, which is not practically possible in case of the software that are used for analysis. These are the 4 different bank account statement of different persons include in one single fraud investigation. These statements are manually scanned, not auto-generated from softwares in such a way. Here, Gemini is support us to generate the structure format, which can be also saved in Excel format. After downloading this data in Excel sheet, we can further ask Gemini to analyze these statements for further investigation purpose. These Gemini tools help us to identify the money trail from where money comes, where money parks, which type of transactions occurred, amount. This can be further getting into Excel sheet also from this Google Sheets. Final parking of destination means major funds parking destinations are there. Where from inflow, where from outflow, these all details are to be extracted by the Gemini from a bank statement itself. And any number of means up to 35 bank statement, 35 pages of the bank statement at a time can be extracted from a Gemini. This Gemini tool is simple structure for investigation. This can give this type of analysis, but when we are going for cloud AI in case of investigation, so cloud will give a more detailed analysis in respect of these cases. For example, I have here this cloud. In respect of that same statement, cloud can give different analysis and different type of lookout of the investigation. This can help us for other which are the laws applicable or which laws are breached by that money trail, or you can say audit trail, which are the means beneficiary of the money flow. This can show money from this to this account to account, structuring suffering patterns which are follow in case of fraud, detail cash flow transactions, etc. And this can also suspicious transactions and sources of 4.4 crore, for example, in case of bank received so and so amount, transactions patterns, trading account anomalies, stock market investment, this all kind of benami transactions suspected. Next step, they also suggest us which are the next actions point required to be do immediately. For example, verify identity and relationship between all the account holders in numbers, sources of fund, etc. This can also provide diagrams. This type of primary source from where money comes, in which accounts money goes, stockbrokers, parties, cash withdrawals, etc. Here also transaction volumes, chart diagram presentation, funds and source destinations, where fund park. This can be used for the purpose of reporting also. Risk assessment also are there. This cloud AI tool can be used to analyze means till the last moment, means up at which time money is withdrawn from the account, in which account money park, at which date park. Here risk assessment is also there. Our means extreme, which are the accounts which require more detailed investigation, which are extreme. This can be used for further investigation. This can help to identify from where money withdrawal. Even this analysis support us in case of investigation. Here it shows 200 plus bound checks, 75 individuals, total single name. This amount is then ATM users across different cities can travel to so and so immediate after cash withdrawals, at which time different amount of cash withdrawal. Even cash was withdrawal between 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. in so many cases was also identified by that cloud AI. This will help us to identify two things. First thing, we can know which different kind of acts are applicable in case of suspicious investigation. For example, money laundering indicators, structured transactions are there, check kiting schemes are there. Even other laws are applicable, can be identified by cloud AI. And also this can be help for us for reporting different kind of frauds in different manner by way of graphical representation and also structured formats are there in case of that Google Sheet presentation from Gemini. These regulatory violations are also identified by so and so PML Act, IM Income Tax Act, Potential Enemy Act, etc. Statistical critical risk is also there. This kind of means detailed investigation is not possible by way of that different kind of softwares. This can be easily done by way of that Gemini and Cloud AI. Thank you. Thank you. From this is my side. Please for question. This is from my side.
Okay. So Hemal bhai, two
Yes, sir.
quick questions.
Yes, sir.
First, when you uploaded that PDF on Cloud, I can see it was not redacted. So how you ensured secrecy in this? First. Second, how you ensured that Claude or Gemini is not hallucinating while you're getting the results and you're getting the exact and accurate results? Because as far as my experience is, whenever you upload such things on Claude or Gemini or ChatGPT, they started hallucinating.
Yes, sir. In case of Sir Cloud and ChatGPT, we are not getting an accurate result. But in case of Gemini, up to 70 to 75% result is accurate. In case of that manual PDF, and in case of actual auto-generated PDF, we are getting 80 to 85% accurate result. In case of privacy, sir, there is an issue, but we can you can say we can restrict it by way of blurring their name, account number, which are already done by me in case of uploading that statement. These two things can be possible in case of that privacy. And accuracy means 70 to 75% accuracy can be attained. In case of Gemini, Cloud is not giving accurate result in case of that structuring of that statement into Google Sheet or Google Excel sheet. But Gemini is 70 to 75% is achieved. In my case, I have means done 2 to 3 times that exercise today itself, but 70 to 75% exact results can be attained.
So Hemal bhai,
And
according
after
to you, for
final-
forensic,
Sorry?
sorry to interrupt you. So as far as forensic audit is concerned,
Yes, sir.
do you think 75% accuracy is okay?
Sir, no. In case of forensic audit, 75% accuracy is not okay. In case of forensic audit, 100% accuracy must be there. But in case of detail analysis, which can be means you can say triggering points. Money was withdrawn from different city which are far than 200 kilometers in just 7 to 5 minutes time, or you can say different amount from coming from same account and parking in different account. That can be also difficult to track immediately with the help of manual intervention, which can be attained by that Cloud AI very easily. But final validation, sir, is must in case of that AI tools. That is must be. We cannot say that structure statement Google Sheet or Google Excel sheet can be attained easily, but 75% is there after manual validation, but it will not take much time. That can be required in case of manual and data entry. And in case of forensic audits, in more or less nationalized banks, it is not always possible for us to get that English you auto-generated PDF statement. In that case, it can be easily helpful. But we can easily get trial and also investigative points and also applicable laws and rules applicable in that case. It can be easily traceable with the help of that Cloud AI and also Gemini.
Okay. And how will you ensure that the same type of results can be generated every time you upload a bank statement
Sir, it is
for
not
different
possible.
entities?
Sir, it is not possible to get same, even in case of same entity, when we will upload the statements to different time, it won't be possible for us to get that same result. But the result which will be generated by Cloud AI, it will definitely be helpful in case of that further investigation, in case of applicable laws. in case of that triggering points which require our immediate action and immediate our concentration, it will be always possible for us to get that judgment perfectly. The next,
Okay.
the further investigative points can be easily traceable with the help of that cloud AI. I can say cloud AI will be better for analytic investigation. For further investigation, it will be definitely useful. Not necessary we will get same result every time, but it is definitely we will get some new or some investigative points every time.
Okay. Okay. That's all from my side, Hemal sir.
Thank
Rahul
you.
bhai, over to you.
One very last query that I have, that why are you using ChatGPT or Claude? Can't you do that, this analysis by way of Python or Excel? Whether it is possible for you to do that or it's not possible. Can
Sir,
this be done?
actually, I have not tried, sir, this action with the help of Python, but I will definitely do with
But
with
just like
best
Shreyas
effort,
Bhai
and
has
I will try to do
said,
best with help.
there's an issue of privacy because if you're uploading something, there's a biggest issue is privacy. Because now everyone knows that the people, the bank statement who has uploaded has transferred 5 CR someplace.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is a
Definitely,
very big thing.
I will try with the help of that Python itself.
Yes, okay, thank you. This is just from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So